The minimalist bedroom can be defined by clean lines, a restrained palette, and stripped-down simplicity. While furniture-filled rooms have loads of options to visually distract from the boring, benign, or broken, there's a much smaller margin for error in a minimalist space. If you have less stuff, everything in the room needs to be both gorgeous and practical, meaning that it's also a time to decorate and shop with intention. A minimalist bedroom that is devoid of clutter and devoted to the essentials is easy on the mind, body, and spirit. Simple to maintain and easy to modify with small decor changes, a minimalist approach can make sense in every room in the house, from the living room to the nursery or home office, but works especially well to create an oasis effect in the bedroom. With simple color schemes, a thoughtfully edited selection of furniture, and pared-down decor accents, a minimalist bedroom is a respite from the chaos of life that anyone can achieve at any price point. This minimalist bedroom mixes light and dark tones to calming effect, with dark paint, bright white textiles, matching knit stands and reading lamps, and a glass bubble pendant light suspended over the bed. This contemporary minimalist bedroom keeps the focus on the swoon-worthy view of the NYC skyline and the Chrysler Building, with shades of white and gray, an upholstered bed frame, textured walls, and hanging teardrop pendant lights. Check out these warm and inviting minimalist bedroom ideas in a range of homes to help you transform your own space into a stylish sanctuary.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.